right, so let's see here. Kind of want to do an autopsy of my trading day today. Kind of crushed it. After I took a little bit of a beating, I was up 175 and I took a big drawdown here. And then I was just up and to the right after that. Had a little bit of a draw here from 675 down to 4. So this was, 350 bucks, but all good. All good. I mean, this is how I want to trade. But let's get into this, right? So I think I had some. Yeah, it's in green on the screen from pre-market. This is where that 175 came from. And then we had the open, and I started, what was this? This was a top. This was a reaction off the top of the FOMC wick here. And that's why I was trying to short it. And this was that big drawdown. This is kind of what it was. But the problem was that it was too the ATRs were too high. I mean, I shouldn't even be touching trades before 9 o'clock. And my risk reward, my standard stop of 25 points is just too wide for this. But the first one, 78. Yeah, look at that. I mean, first one I got max loss, and then the next one from 102 to max loss. So and then I took the long. I got stopped at the bottom, and right here, this is huge. This is too much size for that time of the day. This is great. This is great. Whatever, $100, bam, gone. This is $200. Right, so this is $300, and then another 150. Yeah, that's it. That's the blast. And then here it looks like I got in on 3 here. It started working, boom, 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 and I added, and then so basically I had an average price of 108. We came down. We almost hit my stop loss on that, but then we didn't. So this was fortunate. But I nailed this. And I've been targeting this 200. This was, if you watch the video from earlier today, that's gonna be obvious. I just kept wanting to hit up here. Tried a quick little short here, thinking that we're going to break underneath this. Didn't get it. Long, stopped at the bottom. Long, got it. Stopped out here. Long. Really decent trades. Nice risk reward on this. Super nice risk reward. Here we are. We're hitting that target. This is a great trade right here. So this is 156. So that's 60 points. This was great. Bang. This was not good. This was dollar cost average right here. Got this one. Only got hit on 1 here for max loss. Switched short. Caught it. I don't know. I think I made a cup of coffee at this time. And then got the short. I remember this one kind of hurting. I remember this one kind of sucking because I was like hoping to get it further down because I left a lot on the table. This is 74. Yeah, this is 60 points, right? Then this ended up being kind of a key level. Yeah, I should have stopped out here. Bye. I was jockeying. Took a big hit. Added and took another big hit. So this is at 10 o'clock. So let's see this. Yeah, this was this big drawdown here. So this was from, that's a $300 drawdown. But I got it. I smoked it. Got a really nice exit up there. This level got marked out because this was an attempt at a higher high, and when you look at the 125,000 volume metric, it's this peak right here. So we had this distribution right here that was telling me short, and then we went up and we fought it, got over to the top, put in a ton of volume here, and then they failed. And I tried buying again. I tried buying again and I got it. And let's look at this. So this is what level is this? So yeah, here's a 5-day rolling pocket down here. So that's the tell, I guess, that it is, you know, that. Oh, these are decent, man. This is $150. This was only a $50 one. And I tried, then we got the reversal. I got in, took the hit, took it like a stud, all good. Big loss, 150. That's cool though. And then we came down here, got it. This was at a level, got back in, got it. These are nice trades. 91, yeah, 60-point trade. Got it. There's a little bit of a dollar cost average. Ooh, yeah, this was key. So this one here was when I was looking to add, and then we were putting in volume right here, and we were just here for too long, and we got up to break even. I said, fuck it, I got out, and then we popped it, and we came down. Switched to short bias down here when we came back up and tested into this volume, and then sold off. I got into my short bias, but I didn't marry it. So it took a couple of hits, but like, look how small this fucker is. 32. That's a $15 hit. Just that guy. I mean, sure, you put all this together, and this is probably like $80 plus this is probably another 50. So this is a $130 draw. But then put in volume above all of this, and that was telling me that it was time to go long, got long, nailed it, and then that's the end of the trading day. So some really decent trades. I don't think, let's double check this, right? So like we have 25 point here. That's that. This is probably 25.74. Yeah. That's 20 points. 58. Yeah, 25 points. This looks a little fat. 100 down to, no, 25 points. 25 points. I didn't take a single loss. It looks like I didn't take a single loss bigger than 25 points. 14. Yeah. No, that's a 30. That's a 30-point loss. That's still not. And that makes sense. That made sense. I put my stop underneath this low or this or whatever. That made sense to do. It's not crazy. Yeah. 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 So that's risk management. That's fucking risk management. There you go.